Tassels bring such fun texture and movement to any projects. Let's dive into a simple method for making tassels with an embroidery skein. You don't need much to get started. For this method, you will need 2 skeins of embroidery floss, a ruler, and a pair of sharp scissors. And if you'd like to comb out your tassels, a comb is helpful too. Let's do some prep. Set one skein aside and do not use any thread from it. Take the second skein and cut 4 6-inch threads. If you'd like more thread to work with, cut 4 8-inch threads. We are ready to make some tassels. Choose one end of the loop skein of thread. Find the center of the loops and use your finger to gently open the center. You can slide the plastic label further down of the skein if needed. Taking one cut string, pass it through the middle of the loop. Tie the string tight around the top of the loop, knotting the string 2 to 3 times. Repeat these 2 steps for the opposite end of the looped skein of thread. Remove the plastic labels from the looped skein of thread. Tightly wrap around the looped skein of thread 3 to 4 times. Knot the string 2 times and trim any excess thread. Repeat these 2 steps for the opposite end of the looped skein of thread. Two inches from the banded thread at the top, cut straight across your looped skein of thread. Repeat with the remaining looped skein of thread. Okay, it's looking good. Now gently comb out your tassels if you'd like and trim the bottoms to make them more even. Now you are all ready to tie some tassels on the ends of your wooden dowel.